Now let's use the Dump Them All plugin. I'm using it in my Firefox browser. Click on the icon and go to Manager. Oh, never mind these, just let me delete. You should see something like that. Okay, so right click and import from file. Remember that we downloaded all the images in a text file, which is here. I named as image URL, so open. You should see something like that, right? So we want all image files, right? So click here, image and image. This tool is going to create automatically a folder for you, so you can call this folder like Twitter, images, and maybe chat GPT, so you know what it's about. And also remember that when you use like different image URLs, well, you can choose different masks, right? With Dump Them All. So the mask that we use here is like name and extension. So, and then we just click download, and we are downloading all available images. If you see like red right here, that means these images are no longer available on Twitter. Okay, so you see that in my downloads it was created a folder with all the images. I think you can also tell Dump Them All. You can customize yeah, you can tell where you wanted to here in preferences, I think. Yes, so you can customize the tool, but usually you know the tool is going to download the files on your download folder. Great, we have our all images. Now we can move on to Gephi. Okay, we should see something like that. Of course, the colors you can choose and play around. As you can see, because we weighted the edges, you know, you have this thickness here between this image and these hashtags appearing in this image, and the relation with that one in terms of occurrences of the hashtags. Okay, we should see something like that. I like to using white because to visualize it is better, but let's do it everything together. So file, open, so it is in my downloads folder here, image hashtag net, Twitter, original, open. Which is like mixed, right? And okay, good. Specializing the network with Full-Atlas2, run. It's a little bit dense here, So I'm just going to see what parameters I used here with Fuss Atlas. Oh, it's not saved. Fantastic. Let's walk around in the scaling and gravity forces. So less scaling here, perhaps 3 gravity, but then we click on link log mode, right? Maybe you also wanted to prevent overlap. Maybe you want more scaling. 1. Yep. 2. Getting better. Gravity 1. Okay. Yes. Gravity 1.5. Scaling 1.5. Maybe more gravity, so specialized. 3. Yeah. Scaling 1. Let me see my original. Yeah, I think it's not bad. Okay, let's workspace and rename it. Image hashtag net. You can rename the best what you think. Okay, let's come here in appearance and size our nodes. Size, we can size according to degree, maybe 60 pi, and minimum perhaps 15 apply. Okay, it's getting better now. You see that we weighted the edges. Okay. Now in color for now, just left opt for type, so we have like apply. We can choose like different colors, right? I like these ones. So you have images as green and hashtags as pink. You can choose whatever color you prefer. Let's see the labels. Text, black, a node size. Okay, now let's walk around on the data lab. Stop running the algorithm, save your file, always keep saving your file. So we need to walk around here because we don't want to see the label with the image unique ID. We don't want to see that. We just wanted to see the hashtags. Otherwise it's going to be quite messy. So let's walk around in data laboratory. Oh my god. Okay, don't forget that I'm using Gephi 0.9.7 version or any lower version. Good. This is what we have. We have the occurrences of the hashtags appearing in particular images. We have here like type, right? We have images and we have hashtags. What we want to do is to add a column named image. Okay, right? Now we're going to copy the labels from the column label to images. copy data to other column. We're copying from label, copying from label to image. Okay, yeah, everything is there. Now in this column we don't want the labels, because this column will be using we will be using with image preview, so we need to delete the labels here. We just want the image unique IDs. So let's go to type. We wanted to delete the labels, so we're going to click hashtags, right? In type we click all hashtags and we select everything. We right click, edit all nodes, and in image, click OK. See, now now if you click so you have the image name file in this column, but you don't have the labels. Great. Now let's do the same but other way around. So select type, filter in type. We're going to delete from this column all image name files. So let's opt here, filter in type image, and you see in labels you select, hold shift, select everything, select everything, right click, and in labels, click in labels, right, and then OK. So if you go back to your overview, see, you only see the name of the hashtags, but if you click here in the arrow and click in the image, so you see, you can see the Twitter URL and the image URL here. Good. So now what we're going to do is to kind of save. Let's go to the preview and have a look on this network. I think the nodes of the images are a little bit small, so we may want to see them like bigger, right? So go back to overview and let's use the filters. We're going to filter attributes, partition, type, node, drag and drop to the queries. So you have two options. If you click hashtag and filter, you see only the hashtags. If you click the nodes of like images, you only see that. So do this, right? And let's size. Let's choose like size. In appearance is size unique. 10 is too small, so let's say, I don't know, 25 maybe. Apply. Oh, too big. Let's see together here with they are overlapping, so we can run again for Atlas, so they stop overlapping, right? and then the images are going to be a little bit bigger and facilitate the analysis. Stop running the algorithm, save, let's go to preview and refresh again. Yeah, they bigger. Let's do some arrangements here. For example, we want the nodes border column, we want them parent. Okay, opacity here we want 90, refresh. Okay, better. Well, but I didn't promise this column. We can let's go back again to the overview and appearance, column, color. You see images. Just click here, double click, opt for white or something close to white here in the middle, and okay, and apply. Right, so you see now your image nodes, they are white. So in the original network, the hashtags, they are using like this type of sort of blue, I don't know, something like this, maybe something like this. Okay, apply, great, save, preview, refresh. Yes, show labels, refresh. Yeah, they are a little bit big. How about we change that for 8? Okay, refresh, better. Maybe we wanna see the edges like more clear, so edges here, edges thickness here, let's try 3, refresh. Okay, it's better. And now save. Good. Now what we want to do is to use to locate our image folder, right? My image folder is here, and we need to tell in the image nodes, right? This is like the plugin that you installed before. Click here and click here. So that's the path to the image. And how do you to add the image path here? This is like my folder. You can open terminal, right? Terminal, and you just drag and drop the image folder here, and you copy and paste this path in this box and click OK. Then you should refresh and wait. Yep, so you do have your network with all images. Fantastic. I hope you have succeeded. Let's export this file, right? So you come here as export. We can you see something like that, right? I'm going to put on my downloads. Type of file is PDF. If when you click here is in SVG, you should go to SVG, PNG, and PDF one by one. It's something like not nice in Gephi. And then we can call this like Twitter, hashtag image net, and save. You can also save as SVG file because you can open it in any image editor software or in your web browser, right? So what is it? Where is my last file? Downloads, SVG. Okay, just let me write down hashtag image net Twitter, save. Okay, now let's Finder. So you have here, you can open it. Oops. Right click, open with Chrome, right? You see everything here, and in Finder, if you click to open the PDF, so you're going to see the network in your PDF file. Well, if you're not happy with how you are looking at the, the labels, the hashtags that you like overlapping, they are overlapping. So you just go back to the overview and use label adjust. Okay, it's going like to adjust the labels, right? Stop, go back, refresh. Yeah, a little bit better. Well, hope you have succeeded, and see you in the next video. Bye.